what's happening is the unit above, when they flush, it's flooding out this toilet, and there's a toilet on the other side right here, back to back. Okay, so I've been told that water has been pouring out of this, and yeah, it definitely is. So we got, okay, I can't get this to go any further. See, we're holding water. That's where it's all back pitched. It's part of the clog right there. Round number 2, folks. Round number 3. These aren't, they're not wipes. These are, I mean, look how thick those are. That's not a wipe. There you go. These are not wipes. That actually might be fabric. I mean, that looks literally like a thin cotton fabric of some sort. And then pulling it back. And that's where we were holding water. Little belly right there. And it is clear as can be.